Good morning and welcome to Cooking with Splat. Today we are making cakes. Now if you can't see this is funfetti pancakes. So pancakes actually have cakes now. So anyhow, we have a pan thing and this thing which heats things up. And we have a spatula. And I turned this on to medium high and I put some butter in it because butter is good. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And then we have our mixy thing here. And so I will put some mix in here. And it has sprinkles in it. I like sprinkles for breakfast. So here's some mix. And here's some water. And you put them in, and you hope it's a good amount so it's not too squishy and it's not too watery. So if it starts to mix up, then it means you need more water. So it's like sort of squishy, so I'll put more water in it. And I keep mixing until I get all the little bubbles out. Mix, 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 mix. That looks good. But I'm going to make some more for no reason. Always wear an apron when you are cooking because it makes you look cute and it keeps the food from getting on your pretty tummy fur. Mix, 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 mix. So, you wait until the butter is pretty well melted. I like butter. Butter is so good. And it bubbles a little bit. And then you know that it is ready to put the pancakes on. Oh yes. You see the sprinkles? The sprinkles are awesome. So you dump some in there. And then we wait. Oh. Okay then. So it's going to start to bubble up, and you want to wait for the bubbles to go all the way to the outside. And I will get the plate to put the food on. I should probably pick up my spatula thing on the floor. It's getting bubbles. It smells good. Hurry up, go faster. I made a really big one. I didn't have to make such a big one, but I like cake. So, yeah. Bubble, bubble, bubble. I like how it has little splats of color. Getting so close to be able to flip over. Cat says hello. as usual. And it's not ready yet. So I like to poke it because I like to poke things. Poking things. Poking, 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 poking. Poke. It's not going to come up very good, but it's going to be delicious. So it's got lots of bubbles in it, almost to the edge, so I'm going to, no, see, like regular pancakes, you can just do this, but this is gluten-free, because I have to eat gluten-free, so some things don't stay together as well. So it's harder to make cake because I think gluten is like the thing that holds stuff together. And if you don't have the thing that holds stuff together, then things don't stay together, like bread and stuff. Ooh. But it still smells like cake. It's a piece. He's making happy noises now. Whoa. It doesn't have any eggs in it, so I could probably eat it raw, but I like it a little less squishy. Hey, it looks done. Well, it's cooked and it's not quite a cake. It's sort of like a blob. So, there. Anyway, here is the thing I did. Yay! Isn't it pretty?